Hey everyone, Joe here, welcome to the channel. If you own a gravel driveway, you know that it takes some periodic maintenance to keep it looking good. Whether it's repairing potholes or washouts like this, or trying to keep out those unsightly grass and weeds. And today we're going to be taking a look at two different attachments, the land plane and the box blade. We're going to be trying both of them and try to determine if one is better than the other for this type of maintenance work. So this is the Ideal brand land plane. It's 6 foot wide. Haven't used it yet, so you get to see the maiden voyage here in this video. So you can go ahead and start out with my box blade. This is my King Cutter, 6 foot wide. It does have the scarifiers, but I won't be using them today. This box blade gets a lot of use on my property and it's held up well. Here I switched over to the land plane and I'm making sure it's level side to side and front to back. Alright, so you can see the path on the left as a result from the box blade, and the right the land plane. Now the box blade is typically better at moving material, while the land plane moves less and is easier to spread. Now I should have extended the top link out more for the box blade, and it would have done a better job of smoothing out the stone rather than pulling it. Surprisingly, I did find at times that the land plane would pull more material than expected. Alright, well you saw me finish up with the land plane there. How did it do? Well, take a look for yourself. It definitely does a nice job of leveling. Still leaves some ridges along the side here that I'm going to have to hit with the rake. It might be slightly easier to use than the box blade, but I don't know. So what's the verdict? Well, either of these tools will get the job done, but if I had to pick one, I would go with the box blade. I feel it's just a more versatile piece of equipment, and to be honest with you, I don't understand all the hype with these land planes. It just didn't seem to do that much of a better job than the box blade would do. But again, that's just my opinion. I'd like to hear yours, so leave a comment down in the comment section below. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.